He had so many friends. Everybody loved Jimmy Buffett. Jimmy Buffett loved everybody. This is a song that came out of the last 6 months, and we played it for the first time out there in Hollywood. You guys know about Zach Brown? Zach's he's an awesome musical force himself, and he credits Jimmy as being a big mentor. And he's a great friend of the band. He always has been. They had knee deep together, he and Jimmy. Zach texted me on the night of September 1st, and he was just torn up, and he said the title of this song back then, and it turned into a fine song. And he was nice enough to ask me to help sing along with it a little bit. We just released it last Friday. I don't even really know it well yet because I only sang the second verse, but I'm going to do my best for you this evening to see how we do. Another dollar on the wall, another poet with a pen, another beach bum with a dog, another stranger sailing in, and the water's just as blue. No, you haven't missed a thing, but we're all here missing you, and the pirates and the parrots sing. Adios, my friend, anchor where that ocean is. We'll pick up where you left off, strumming on a sailor's song. We'll hold down this salty rock, where it's always 5 o'clock. When the sun goes down, we raise our drinks. All the pirates and the parrots sing. Raise the bridge, the drifters coming through. There's a golden stretch of beach is waiting there on me. Is the water just as blue? We want to hear about everything, but we're all here missing you, and all the pirates and the parrots sing. Adios, my friend, anchor where that ocean is. We'll pick up where you left off, strumming on a sailor's song. We'll hold down this salty rock, where it's always 5 o'clock. When the sun goes down, we raise our drinks. All the pirates and the parrots sing. Too soon, but left a song. Pass the torch to carry on. Long as people sing along, we'll go on and on and on. Adios, my friend, anchor where that ocean is. You hold on this salty rock, strumming on a sailor's song. Hold down this salty rock, where it's always 5 o'clock. When the sun goes down, we raise our drinks. All the pirates and the parrots sing. Oh, Thank you, Zach. Thank you, Jimmy.